This is not just a grand tourer. It's a samurai sword wrapped in velvet. The Lexus LC 500, where art meets engineering and muscle meets melody. A 5.0-liter V8, naturally aspirated, no turbos, no tricks, just pure old-school roar. .485 horsepower, rear-wheel drive, and a soundtrack straight out of a Marvel movie. This isn't a car you rush. You cruise, you pose, you dominate the boulevard while turning necks like a red carpet entrance. Inside, think fighter jet cockpit meets Tokyo Art Gallery. Every dial, every stitch, crafted, not manufactured. Handling, surprisingly sharp. It's not just a pretty face. This thing can dance when you ask it to. The Lexus LC isn't trying to be the fastest. It's not trying to be the loudest. It's just trying to be unforgettable. If elegance had an exhaust note, this would be it. Like if you'd daily this beauty. Comment your dream road trip route. Subscribe for more four-wheeled art on Wisdom Wheels. Number Lexus LC, number luxury performance number, modern muscle number Wisdom Wheels.